Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add a chatbot to your WordPress website. So as you can see over here, this is a website that I created using Elementor WordPress hosting, and then also this beautiful theme over here as you see. Now as a e-commerce website or any kind of website, you don't want to lose leads. Okay, so specifically you don't want to lose clients or people who come to your website just because they couldn't reach you or they couldn't talk to you. Okay, so even if they cannot talk to you, they can talk to somebody on the website, and that is where the chatbot come to play. Okay, so as you can see over here, I have this chatbot over here which I can be able to talk to. Okay, so as it says what talk to us. Now when I click over here, it will be able to talk to me. I have done a lot of conversation with this particular chatbot, but let's see if what happens. So as you can see over here, it says hi, welcome to Kaetech shop. I'm Kobe and I will help you with common things here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the chatbot Kobe from Kaetech shop over here. Now automatically brings you something over here, and it will allow you to choose whatever you want. So let's say I'm going for support. Okay, so I go for support, and then it will ask me what kind of support do you need. So let's say I want to go for payment. Okay, so automatically it gives me a statement which says that our payment we accept Visa card, MasterCard and PayPal. We also do cash on delivery. Can I help you with anything, any other thing? Then you can go ahead and say maybe yes you can or no, that's all. Okay, so let's say I want to say maybe yes. So once you say yes you can, it still gives you a message to say please type your question. So let's say I go ahead and type a question that maybe how can I buy a product? Okay, so I say how can I buy a product, and then I click enter, and then it's going to also give me another thing, and then say what's your name. So I'll say maybe my name is Kobe. Ask me about how about your email. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then paste my email over there. Let's say Kaetech tutorials at gmail.com, and then I go ahead and paste it over there. I click enter, and then it will also give me say perfect, thank you, I'll have someone contact you soon. So that is it. So you can be able to chat over here, and then it goes into the back end of the chatbot, whereby it also goes into your email, whereby the admin can be able to reach to any customer that is chatting with the chatbot as soon as possible. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how you can be able to integrate this particular chatbot over here into your website. So let's get into it. Now if you are new over here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you are interested in all the videos that we do over here, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that is the most important thing. Subscribe, and let's go together. Alright guys, so this is our website over here, and as you can see there is no chatbot over here. So we are going to integrate the chatbot into our website. So if you haven't watched this video how I created this particular website over here, this beautiful amazing e-commerce website over here using Elementor Pro, Elementor, and then Elementor hosting, WordPress hosting or WooCommerce hosting, then please go back to the channel and then watch this video. Okay, so watch this video. But if you are just here to learn how to be able to create a chatbot, then let's just jump into the video and then start creating the chatbot. So we're going to create the chatbot using this particular website over here. So it is called Artibot. Okay, so Artibot.ai, and that is the website that we're going to use over. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to be able to go over there and then create an account over there. Okay, but first of all, let's go back to our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hover on plugins over here, and then we are going to install a new plugin. Okay, so a new plugin is what we're going to install. So we're going to search for the Artibot. Okay, so Artibot. So just search for Artibot, and then you're going to get there the Artibot free chatbot for websites. Now you see that there are a lot of chatbots. We have this chatbot for WordPress, WP chatbot for Messenger, but this is what we want. Okay, the Artibot free chatbot for websites. Now click on install now over here. And the amazing thing is, this is not just for WordPress. You can even integrate it into any kind of website that you are creating. Okay, you can use it. Now we're going to also click on activate over here after installing. So we have installed it, we have to activate it. Okay, so now that we have activated it over here, now what we want to do is we want to go to what we call you see the menu over here which says Artibot. Okay, so the Artibot, click on it, just click on the Artibot over here, and then you can go ahead and pick a bot. Okay, so now to be able to pick a bot, an Artibot, you need to have an Artibot account. Okay, so you can click over here to visit Artibot.ai dashboard. You can click over here to visit the Artibot.ai dashboard, or come to Artibot.ai, and then since we don't have an account, we're going to create an account over here. Okay, so what we are going to do is you can just click over here, it's going to open a new tab for you right here, and then it will allow you to either sign in or sign up. So let's create an account. So we're going to click here to create an account, and then we just enter our name. So enter your name over there. So I'm going to enter any name. So I'm going to enter, like, let's say Kobe Evans. Okay, or you can enter anything that you want to enter, and then I'll enter maybe Kaetech. Okay, so Kaetech over here, and then your email address. Okay, so just enter your email address. I'm going to use this email address over here, and then your password. Okay, so you can use any password that you want to use. You can even suggest a strong password. Google can suggest a strong password for you. Okay, so as you can see, it has suggested a strong password for me, and I'm going to use that. Okay, it will be saved in my Google account, so I'll know where to find it, and then I'll go ahead to click on sign up over here. All right, so this is a new Artibot account. So first of all, what you have to do is go check your email address. Okay, so I'm going to go to my email address and then check it and see if they've sent me an email. Now, as you can see over here, this is the email they've sent me. I'm going to go inside over here, and then I have to activate my email. Okay, so I'm going to click over here to activate the email, and I'm going to get a message that I'm being verified. Okay, so that is it. So when I get the message, I know that I'm being verified. Okay, so now you have been verified, so which is okay for me. Now I can go back to where I am creating it, and then all what I need to do is to click over here which says add Artibot. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. Oh, they said there was a problem fetching the template, so let me just click it again. All right, so now the template is there. So sometimes it happens, maybe internet or something, but then it's all good. So you can either start or choose a blank template. Okay, or you can go through the template, and then depending on the kind of website you are creating, you can be able to choose any template over here. Okay, so just go through, and then my website is kind of like a sales website, so I'm going to choose this one which says sales or support. But depending on your website, that is what you are supposed to choose. So let's say your website is a web design website. So as you can see, this is website design, wedding planning, okay, photography, videography, all of them. You're going to have it over there, but I'm going to choose my sales over here, and as you can see, this is sales or support. Okay, so if maybe somebody wants to buy something and then they need support and all that, there is a template created already. all what I need to do is just modify the template the way I want it, and then I'm good to go. Now this particular bot or Artibot is very simple to use. Okay, if you understand the process and the chat flow and all those kind of stuff, conversational flow, you'll be able to just do your own stuff or do your own thing. Okay, so if you see the chat flow or conversation flow over here, this is how it is. Now even if I haven't done anything or I don't want to do anything, okay, I can just go ahead and just click on publish, right? I can just click on publish and then it will be published. Okay, so it says you're almost done. Okay, so it is published, all right, but either you copy this one and then use it in your those of you creating a website by coding and other stuff, you can just use it over here. But since we already have the WordPress plugin installed, I'm going to just click on done over here, and I'm going to go back to my Artibot over here and then click on pick a bot. So click on pick an Artibot. Now what it's going to do is it's going to connect to my already logged in Artibot account over here, and then it will tell me to choose. Okay, so as you can see, I only have one bot created, so I can just, it's already selected. All I need to do is just click on add to WordPress over here, and then it will be it will be connected. So as you can see, it is connected. So if I go to the home page of the website and I refresh my website, I'm supposed to see a chatbot over here. Okay, just over here. Let's wait and see if it is working. Okay, so I still cannot see it as of now, but let me go over here and then refresh this particular website over here and see if it is connected, because I want to see if it is connected. Okay, so it's still not it's still not connected over here, not installed. Okay, so they are saying it is not installed. So let me just go over here and then refresh this place. Let me just refresh this place, and then it says would you like to switch bot? So your current bot is is sales and support, so it means that it is connected. So why is it not connected over here? And that is what I don't understand. So let me just see. Okay, so now as you can see, it is it is now working over here. Okay, so it is connected. It is connected. Okay, so it has been connected over here. It is working perfectly over here. So if I click on it, over here, now I can be able to just go ahead and then chat with this chatbot. So as you can see, hi, I am bot, can help you with some common things. So it gives you top level sales support, whatever it is. So let's say sales. Okay, so what does it say? Now select from these sales options, so pricing, whatever it is. So let's say pricing. Okay, I choose pricing. What would it say? All right, so our pricing information can be found on our pricing page over here, and then select these sales options if you want to if you still want to go ahead again, and then you can go to maybe product info or other. Okay, so maybe let me choose other over here, and then it will ask me to what type of question do you have. Okay, and then you can be able to just type in your question over here and hit enter, and then they will ask of your name. Okay, you can enter over here, ask of your email. Okay, so basically it is that kind of a thing. Okay, so you are it's some kind of interactions that is going to have on your website. Okay, so and what happens is after everything, so let's say I want to give this email address over there. So if you give a fake email, I mean, like if the email extension, that is the Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever it is not correct, it will tell you that it is not correct. Okay, so if I enter over here, it's going to tell me that perfect, thank you, I'll have someone contact you soon. Okay, so then the chat close. Now if I come back over here, okay, so let's see. Yeah, if I come back over here, okay, and I go to leads over here, okay, just the chat that I had with the chatbot will come over here. Okay, so you're gonna see everything, the person's name, the email address, other questions, sales, whatever it is, everything, even where the person is chatting from, okay, and the browser the person used and the IP address. You're gonna see all the conversations also. You're gonna see everything. So if you have to contact the person immediately, you can go ahead and contact the person as soon as possible. Okay, so that is how powerful this chatbot is. Okay, it helps you create leads, and then you can be able to follow it, and then just make sales with it. Now let's go ahead and then customize our chatbot. But now we have installed the chatbot, but the things that it is bringing out, maybe we don't really like it. Okay, so you can customize it. You can customize it the way you want it. Now to customize it, it is also very simple. Now you can go over here. Okay, hi, just click on anything, and then 8 options will open from you. So you can customize the message over here. So hi, I'm Kobe. Instead of bot, I'm gonna say maybe I'm Kobe. I'm Kobe from maybe Kaetech shop. Okay, Kaetech shop. I can help you with common things. Okay, and let me say, and I can help you with common things. So this is just a welcome thing, and after that it goes to the next question. Okay, and this one is an image. As you can see, this is a GIF file over here. You can enter the GIF file, and the how they enter their kind of link is also very simple. You don't need to you don't need to worry about it. Okay, as soon as you have the link over here, it is very easy. You just add a link in bracket, and then it's gonna work for you. Okay, and that is it. You can add it in any statement that you want. Okay, that is so this is a GIF. Now if you want to remove it, you can just click over here to remove it. Okay, but you can also go ahead. So this top top level menu. Okay, so this is a multi-choice kind of thing field. Okay, so you can decide to go ahead and then just delete everything over here and type in anything that you want to type. Okay, but I will leave it. And then with a multi-choice, we have sales, we have support, we have other. Okay, so if the person chooses sales, go to sales choice. If the person chooses support, go to support choice. If the person chooses other, go to other question. Okay, so as you can see, we have all of them linked to certain things over here. So if the person chooses sales, it will come to the sales choice over here. Okay, that is the field name, sales choice. And then you have pricing, product info, and then other. If the person chooses pricing, go to pricing. If the person chooses product info, go to product info. Okay, if the person chooses if the person selects or chooses other, go to other question. Okay, so it's also linked as you can see over here. They're all linked. Okay, so let's say the person chooses support. Okay, and then you want to give it a different kind of question. Okay, so the person chooses support. Now as you can see, this is a support statement over here. Okay, it wants you to add something over here. Okay, so we can just add a statement over here, or we can just delete this one. We can just delete or remove this one over here. Okay, we can just remove it, and then we can add our own thing over here. So this is pricing, and then we can go ahead and click here to add anything. So let's say we want to add a multiple choice question. Okay, so we want to add a multiple choice question, and then over here we want to just add maybe payment. Okay, payment, and then we want to add another one, which is let's say refund. Okay, so refund. All right, so we have payment and refund, and then what are we saying over here? We can just give it anything. So what kind of support do you want? Okay, so what kind of support do you need? Okay, so we have payment support, we have refund support, and then let's say other. Okay, so let's go ahead and then choose other. Okay, so if the person chooses payment, where is the person going? And then that is where we also create another kind of like also a statement. Okay, so I'm going to add a statement over here so that when the person chooses payment, this statement will show. Okay, so if the person chooses payment, what is it going to show over here? So I'm going to say maybe if the person chooses payment, we give our payment what info over here. Okay, so payment info, and then we'll write anything that we want to write. So we accept maybe Visa, MasterCard, or whatever it is. Okay, Visa card, we accept Visa card and MasterCard. Okay, so over here you can choose a name for it. Now this name is very, very important, because if you come over here after this, go to we have the statements and questions over here, and that is the names that comes. Okay, so that is where you can be able to distinguish between all the other things over here. So make sure you give it a unique name that you remember. So I can say maybe this one is what, payment info. Okay, so I can just name it payment info, so that I will know that this is the payment information. Okay, and that is it. Now I can duplicate this one also, because it falls in the same what format over here. I can duplicate it and then also make this one refund info. Okay, I can make it refund info, and then I'll just put our refund policy or refund whatever it is over here. So I'm going to say we do not accept refund. We do not accept any refunds. Okay, so for us, we do not accept any refunds. Okay, but if your case is exceptional, okay, so but if your case is exceptional, please contact blah 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 over here. So I'm going to say but if your case is exceptional, please contact our support team here. Okay, now over here, the here I'm going to put it into like this kind of parenthesis. Okay, so it's going to be like this, and then I'll go ahead and then give bracket open, and then put my link over there. Okay, so now if you see this one, how they've done this one, that is exactly how you're supposed to do yours. Okay, so if you see how they've done this particular one over here, that's exactly how you are also supposed to do yours. So just like this one, and then your pricing link will be what will be here, and then it will turn into a link for you. Okay, so that's exactly how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna just copy the contact page over here. I'm gonna copy the contact page over here, copy this one, and then come back over here, and then just paste it over here, and then give it a bracket close over here. Now if I hit outside it, you see that this one turn what, it tends to be what, blue over here. It means that it is what, it is a link. Okay, and that is it. So this is what, this is our refund what info over here. So we don't accept refund, but if you have your case is exceptional, then you please contact our support team here. Okay, and that is it. So I'm going to put a full stop over here, and we are good to go. So now we have this one, we have this one. Now how do we link it to this one? And that is what we're going to do. So we're going to come over here, and then if you look at the multi-choice over here, we have payment. So we're going to select payment info. Okay, so as you can see, we have payment info over here, so we can choose it for it. So if somebody select this one, then a person is supposed to go to the payment info next. Okay, so that is how it works, and it's so simple for us to be able to use it. All right, so our payment info is selected. Now let's go to the refund. We want to also choose refund info. Okay, so let's go over here. So this is what refund info over here, and that is what, and that is it. So payment info is selected, refund info, and then this one also is other. So if it is other, then let's go to other question. Okay, so other question is what is this particular one. What what question do you have? Okay, so now if you think everything, there are more things you can add, so many things. Now if you think this is not what you want and you want to add a different thing, of course you can add a question, you can add a statement, you can add multiple choice, you can even add a video, you can add what, a settler. It means you can add Google calendar and everything, so that people can be able to what, add their calendars. You can also go ahead and add a payment over here to accept payment, and then you can add your address, you can even add codes also in it. So there are a lot of things that you can do over here without writing any single line of what, any single line of code. So if everything is all right, just click over here to publish, and then it will be what, it will be published for you. It says what, we found some problems with you have 3 statements or question that cannot be reached in your conversation. So let's look at it. So what are some of them? Okay, so this one over here, this one cannot be reached. It means that it is not linked to anything over here. Okay, so now what do? We come over here. So let's come over here, and then over here, support over here. Okay, so go to support and then choose this one, and then we are going to go to where is it? Let me see this one. This one is what? This one is, oh, okay, so this one is, the field is what, question 1. Okay, so we can even give it a different one like support. Okay, so we can say maybe support info. Okay, so let's give it like a support info, and come over here and click over here, and then with the support, we're going to search for support info over here and give it to it. Okay, so now we've linked the support also to this particular thing over here. Now let's try and publish and see if they are still going to tell us that it is cannot be published or no. And as you can see, it has been what, it has been published successfully. Okay, so that is, so if you don't link anything to anything, it is going to be like it is not linking to the conversation. Okay, so make sure that you link everything to what, all the flow should be there. The flow should be there. So from here it goes to here, it goes to here, it goes to here. Now let's go back to our home page over here, and I'm going to close this one and I'll refresh the website. Okay, so that what we did will reflect in everything that we've done. So let's wait for it. So it says what, let's click over here, and then let it load for us, and then let's see, we're going to choose support, and then it goes that way. So hi, I'm Kobe. Okay, so as you can see, from Kaetech shop, and I can help you with some common things over here. So top level menu, I'm going to choose support over here, and then let's see what the support comes for us. It says what kind of support do you need? Okay, so let's say I want to go for payment. So it says we do not accept okay, so it has given me all the things over here. Okay, which that is not what I want. So it's supposed to give me just the payment info. Okay, so the payment info is supposed to be what, we accept card and then MasterCard. I don't know why this one came. So then it means we made a mistake. We have to go back over here. So now we know that this one has been linked to this one, but this one is what the problem is. Okay, so now what we have to do is we're going to go over here, and then this one links to payment info. If selected, this one links to refund info. If selected, this one goes to other. So with the payment info, where does it go? It says next question. Okay, so that is not where we want it to go. We want it to go to the thank you message, or we want it to go to name over here. Okay, so that it's going to what, ask people's name, because we want lead. Okay, so we want lead, so it's supposed to ask people's name. So if somebody also choose this one also goes to the name over here. Okay, so that it also asks their names. Okay, so now if you ask name over here, or we can we can even choose this one over here. Okay, so maybe do you have any other question or something, and then it can be able to give us something that we want to ask, and then it will ask our name and other stuff. But for now, let's just choose the name, and then from the name it goes to the next question, which is how about your email, and then it goes to thank you page. Okay, so let's publish this one and see how it goes. Now we've published it. Let's go to the front end, and then we're gonna what? We're gonna just close this one, refresh it. And one thing I've realized, if you don't refresh the website, what you did really is not reflecting. Okay, so we're gonna refresh it, and then it's supposed to what? It's supposed to work for us. So let's just wait. Okay, so now we're gonna click on it to contact the support team, and then we come over here, and then I'm going to just start a conversation again. Okay, so I'm going to start a conversation again, refresh everything. Okay, so it comes, hi, I'm Kobe, blah blah blah, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to click on support over here. Okay, so payment. Okay, so I'm going to choose payment. Okay, so you see it says what's your name, right? What's your name? So I'm going to just type in maybe Kobe. Okay, and enter. How about your email, right? It's coming, so I'm just going to enter my email, Kobe at gmail.com, and then I'll hit enter, and then it says, oh, perfect, thank you, I'll have someone contact you what soon. Okay, so you can change all the messages that is over here. Okay, you can change it and write it. It's just do anything that you want to do. Just let your customer know that it is what a raw kind of like a chat person, or kind of like, even though it's a bot, let your customer or the person, the user, feel that they are talking to a raw person. Okay, and that is what, and that is it. So that is how you can be able to customize these things, make it what your own. You can create another chatbot over it, so you can create as much as chatbot that you want to create. Okay, and that is it. Now let's go to the settings of it. Now if you look at this one, it says software 1. Okay, that is not what we want, so we want to change some few things over here. So let's go to the settings over here, and as you can see, instead of contact us, you can even just change it to maybe talk to us. Okay, so talk to us. Okay, or you can just label it maybe live chat or something like that. You can pick a color of your choice that you want it to show. You can position it anywhere, either top, left, right, or whatever it is. Okay, bottom, whatever it is, wherever you want to position it, you can just position it anywhere you want to position it. And then if you go to Artibot expanded, if it expand, what happens? And that is where the software 1 come in place. Now with the software 1, you can change it to maybe Kobe. Okay, or you can say maybe chatting with Kobe. Okay, so when it expand, and then you can enter your you can select your image. Okay, so let me just see if I have some beautiful image of myself over here. So I'm just going to go through and see if I have an image of I used to have some fresh image of myself. Okay, so yeah, this particular one over here, I'm going to just use this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, and then you can choose anything that you want to choose, but I'll just leave it as it is. The font also is over here, so the font that you want to use, okay, that is it. Now you can update it if you want to update it, so just update it, and then you can also choose a language also over here. So language overrides. Okay, so you can overwrite the language over here. So if you are let's say you speak French, you can what, just type in your French conversation, or the translation over here. Okay, just type in the translations and all those things over here. Okay, and then that is it. Now let's go to notifications. Okay, so with the notifications, it is very, very important. So this is the email address that will get all notifications. So if I go to this particular email address and I click over here, you see that I have gotten some leads over here. Okay, because of what I have done, okay, so far. So as you can see, the first one that I did, okay, I can see it over here in all the conversation and other stuff. This is the second one also. Okay, Kobe at Gmail, and that is what, and that is it. So every lead will be what, will be sent to your email over here, and then you can be able to go ahead. Okay, you can be able to go ahead and then contact the person who had a conversation with your chatbot. Okay, so basically that is it. Now you can add different recipients also over here. Now there are also webhooks also. Okay, so there are webhooks also over here where you can add a webhook if you want to add. And then we also have Zapier. Okay, so if you want to you want to add your or connect it to Zapier for a proper workflow, you can also do that. Now you can go ahead and even connect this one, okay, MailChimp. For those of you who want to connect it to their MailChimp, you can use the Artibot.ai plus MailChimp workflow also over here. Just connect it together, and that is it. Now also we have hosted over here. Now with the hosted, you can share this URL with your users. So maybe you want to just add it as a button somewhere else. You can copy this and then use it in your website somewhere else. Okay, so it's gonna work anywhere you place it, and that is what the amazing thing of this particular chatbot. Okay, so that is it. And then how to install it also is over here. Okay, so basically this is how the whole thing works. Now that we have done some few settings, let's go back to the front end and refresh the whole thing and see if everything has changed. Okay, so I'm going to just refresh here and see if everything that we did has taken effect. Now of course it wouldn't, like I told you, unless you refresh the whole website itself. Okay, so let's refresh the website, and contact us should change to talk to us, and then a lot of things will also change. So as you can see, this one is saying talk to us. So when I click over here, I'm supposed to see my image over here. Okay, I'm supposed to see my image over here. So as you can see, it says we're chatting with Kobe, right? And this is my image over here, very beautifully done over here. And now I can go ahead. Everything is now perfectly well. If I choose support, okay, I'm supposed to it says sorry, I didn't cut that. Well, it's a bug, so I can just refresh it and then let it start again. Okay, so it's not that really big. Everything works perfectly well, and that is how you can be able to add a chatbot to your website. I hope this video helps you to be able to add a chatbot to your website so that you can be able to make your website interactive and then also get leads so that you can follow up later on. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. My name is Kobe. Bye bye.